Igbo mamano Osanda Keni Ajeni Osanda Keni Otofeni Osamar Nekeneo Abashi Kete Kaina Gumu Neni Kwamari Shosani Bunde Igbo Osani Bunde Igbo. What I want to say today is that so many Ikwere people that are saying that we Ikwere people, we are not Igbo. Ikwere is Ikwere. Of course, we know Ikwere is Ikwere. Let me make you understand now that Ikwere is Ikwere. Okwane is Okwane. Ika is Ika. Enuane is Enuane. Nri is Nri. Aro is Aro. Izi is Izi. Mbaise is Mbaise. Isu is Isu. But at the end, we are all one people. Aincha. There is no way someone that is answering Okoro will start answering my own son name. Okoro Nwa Ejima will not be answering Okoro Nwa Okeke. It's not possible. Only your brother Nazafanna, Manaka Incha na Incha Bofu. Because the same DNA in Ikwere people is the same DNA in Okwane people. There is nothing like I'm not Igbo because I'm not from Ongwa. I'm not Igbo because of I'm not from Anambra. I'm not Igbo because I'm not from Enugu. Uche. Ikwere is Ikwere, fine. Okwane too is Okwane. There's no way an Ikwere person will identify as Okwane person. Never. There's no way an Okwane person will identify as a Nri person. Never. Man, one chabu fu, one chabu the same family, one chabu with the same ancestry, the same blood, the same DNA. So stop saying that Ikwere is Ikwere like as if someone is forcing you to identify as Igbo. No, you are Igbo. No one is forcing you. If you like, deny it from today to tomorrow. You are still Igbo. Ima putana deny Ifebo, neighbor has Ifebo. Makarine way some identity crisis or some issues with your brother. Sibia is not denying Igbo. Ikwere is Ikwere, fine. Igbo. You can't clean it. All the nobalai. Okwane is Okwane, fine. Okwane still remain Igbo. And there's no two ways about it. Stop denying what you are. Anyone supporting you and telling any non-Igbo speaking person supporting you, Ikwere person, telling you Ikwere is Ikwere, Igbo is Igbo. That it, just have it in mind that that idiot is unifying his own people that are speaking the same language with him. Anyone telling you Okwane is Okwane, that Okwane is not Igbo, that same idiot is still unifying with their own people in their region. They just want to scatter our own, to destroy our own. You think say it's not easy to see good person for life where we dey now. People are evil. Anything Igbo, they paint them. So they know that when you keep denying your Igbo identity, that is an edge for them to strike. Exploitation, everything would enter. Because these people, they get plan, they get strategy, divide them and rule them. Now be the only thing where they sabi. So when you deny that you are not Igbo, it makes them happy. They don't like you. You and Okwane person saying that you are not Igbo. And those people telling you to always identify as Okwane, that Okwane is Okwane and Igbo is Igbo. They don't love you personally. They are just seeing you as a tool for to carry out their agenda. So, Ndinken, Ikwere is Ikwere, Okwane is Okwane. If you like, let Ikwere be Ikwere, let Okwane be Okwane. We are Igbo people. We have the same blood, DNA, and ancestry. Okay? Igbo bofu. And nobody will divide us.